Treacher.
The wagon.
Hold on. Hold on.
Where's Peepaw? You're on the wagon.
That
That
Look, a slide.
What is that, Kirsten?
Sliding board.
Okay.
She's gonna go fast because she's got socks.
That's from Meemaw and Peepaw and Malfay.
That's from like that, my
Not
favorite.
bad. That's what you do.
I'm telling you.
Oh, my battery's too low later.
There's another one in there, one jar. Just snap that one off,
Let me
snap
help
the
you.
other one off.
Let me help you. Ready?
She likes to do it herself.
Hey,
Self.
Caleb, you hand me that right there.
Self.
Oh, this man. Thank you very much.
Come on, we'll let you sit down over here.
That's all right. I've been sitting long. I've been sitting in there. I need to stand up a while.
Treacher, that's so much fun. That's like at the swimming pool.
Ooh.
We had one swimming pool up
Is
there.
that one bigger than
Ocean
that other one
Love.
she had? I thought it was.
Yeah,
Get
she
in.
borrowed that one next door.
Get
She
in.
only got that tall.
Here we go. Sit in the
Hers
seat.
got like that.
Sit in the seat.
At least
Sit
she
up on the
likes to
seat.
sit on the floor.
There you go. Sit down. Go, baby.
You could probably fit down in
Yes,
there,
sir.
but that's not where you go.
Chris, catch that cup. Cup.
There you
What
go.
cup? Oh.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my goodness. You set your drinks up in there?
Put your spit cup in there.
She looks like a queen back in that way. Look at how she's sitting.
Bye, Treacher.
Let's go walk around the block and take turns
Kirsten,
pulling
do
them out.
this. Kirsten.
Wave at the camera. You're the queen of everything, honey.
She's a bossy little character today.
What do you expect? She's getting everything she ever wants.
I
Really?
don't suppose you should rock when you're taking video, should you?
Are you doing this?
There you go. Your hair was rocking.
Makes some people nauseous.
Oh,
Ugh.
you don't ever look at
We'll never look at it, so we'll never know.
She wants to get her drink, Cassie.